Alright everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So interesting video. I don't know why I bought this tool, but I wanted it. So I've just been buying a bunch of random stuff recently. So here it is. It is the Klein bottle opener. Don't ask me why I got it, but I wanted it. So this is how it came from Amazon. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this real quick. Try not to cut myself because this is a very brand new sharp knife. So as soon as I bought it, I was really concerned. I was like, this thing is probably pretty unsturdy. I was thinking it's probably gonna break really easily just because how can you make something coming out of a handle that is sturdy? But that was quickly changed my mind as soon as I got this. Trying to open this real quick. So I was like, this is gonna be really flimsy. It's gonna be super easy to bend, but as you can see here, it is really strong. You cannot bend this at all. So I've never used this kind of bottle opener before. I've always had the other kind, which looks like this with a little hook on it. So you basically just go around the bottle. But we're gonna try this out for the first time here. We're gonna try this together. So I'm already really impressed, and you got your normal rubber Klein handle that you're always used to. Feels really good. So let's go ahead and try this out. This is all I'm really gonna use it for is sparkling cider. And I'm gonna do it in the sink because these tend to, if they have any bubbles, it tends to explode. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try this over here real quick. I'm not sure if this is the right application or if it's even gonna grab it, but obviously you know how to use a bottle opener, but just put the flat part on the top and then hopefully it grabs the little teeth under there. So actually really impressed. Wow, that was awesome. So yeah, that's how it works perfectly. Really impressed, not flimsy at all, super strong. It's about like $7.50, less than $7.50 on Amazon. If you want to use one of my links down below in the first Google Doc, check it out. But if not, just here to do a little review for you, and it works awesome, and I'm really impressed, and I can't wait to use it more. It's gonna go right in the drawer with my other Klein tools in the house, so pretty much gonna sit next to my, I use this one for opening letters, and then I have another little precision one with like 39 tips for like little baby screws and stuff, which is magnetic, which is awesome. So have like 3 household Kleins and all the rest in my car, so, and in the garage. So anyways, this is it, and hopefully you enjoyed. As always, if you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Help the channel out. I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. Don't forget to check the description for anything else and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.